Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about crops. Agriculture is the main activity, primary activity of the people. Many countries are dependent only on agriculture. Food crops are mainly used for people and fodders. Today we are going to learn about only food crops. Crops. A crop is a plant or plant product that can be grown and harvested for profit or subsistence. By use, crops fall into 6 categories: food crops, feed crops, fiber crops, oil crops, ornamental crops, and industrial crops. Food crops such as fruits and vegetables are harvested for human consumption. Major crops cultivated in India. The major crops of India are divided into 4 major categories. They are as follows. First one, food crops. Food crops are wheat, maize, rice, millets, pulses, etc. Second one is cash crops. Sugarcane, tobacco, cotton, jute, oil seeds, etc. Third one is plantation crops, tea, coffee and rubber. Fourth one is horticulture crops, fruits, flowers and vegetables. Cropping season in India. There are 3 cropping seasons in India. First one is Kharif crops, second one is Rabi crops and third one is Zaid crops. First we have to learn about Kharif season. Kharif season is June to September. Growing crops are rice, cotton, bajra, maize, jowar, rice, ragi, maize and groundnut. Next one is Rabi crops. Rabi crops are October to March. Wheat, gram, rapeseeds, mustard, barley, rice, maize, ragi, groundnut and jowar. Next one is Zaid season, April to June. Vegetables, fruits, fodders, rice. First we have to learn about food crops. Due to large population, Indian agriculture is largely dominated by the food crops. Rice is an indigenous crop. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is mainly a tropical crop, growing mainly with mean temperatures of 24 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall of 150 centimeter. Deep, fertile, clayey and loamy soil are suited well for rice cultivation. It also needs abundant supply of cheap labor. Rice in India is sown in 3 ways. First one is broadcasting, second one is ploughing or drilling and third one is transplanting. Due to increase the use of high yielding variety HYV seeds or CR Dawn 205 and AR Dawn 306 and CRR 451 etc. Many of the indigenous varieties were disappeared. In 2016, the first 10 leading rice producing states are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Assam and Haryana. Second food crops is wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crops of the country after rice. It accounts for 22% of total area and 34% of total production of food grains in the country. It requires 10 to 15 degrees Celsius at the time of sowing and 20 to 25 degrees Celsius at the time of ripening of grains. Over 85% of India's wheat production comes from 5 states, namely Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Apart from this region, the black soil tract of the Deccan covering parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat also contribute a major wheat production. Third one is jowar. Jowar is the third important food crops of our country. It is an indigenous plant of Africa. The plant has a tendency to grow in adverse climate conditions. Its grains are rich in carbohydrates, protein, minerals and vitamins. Hence, it provides cheap food for large section of poor population. It is also used as fodder in many parts of the country. Jowar is essential crop of Peninsula India, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and leading producers of jowar. Next one is barley. Barley is one of the important cereals of our country. Besides being poor man's diet, it is used for making barley water, beer and whiskey. Barley is a certain grain that people can use in bread, beverage and other dishes. As a whole grain, barley provides fibers, vitamins and minerals. These offer various health benefits. Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh are main two leading producers of barley. Next one is pulses. Pulses include a large number of crops which are mostly leguminous and rich in vegetable protein. They are used as human food and feeding cattle. They fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and hence they are usually rotated with other crops. The term pulses is limited to crops harvested slowly in dry grains, which differentiates them from other vegetable crops. They are harvested while still green. Between 2010 and 2013, 173 different countries grew and exported pulses. Pulses are healthy, nutritious and easy to cook with. Growing pulses also promotes sustainable agriculture and pulse crops helps decrease greenhouse gases, increase soil health and use less water than other crops. India is the largest producer of pulses. One is, what are the uses of food crops? Crops is a plant or animal product that can be grown and harvested extensively for profit or subsistence. Crop may refer either to be harvested parts or the harvest in more refined state. Most crops are cultivated in agriculture. A crop may include macroscopic fungus, example mushrooms. Most crops are harvested as food for humans and fodder for livestock. The term food crops refers to the world's major food supply derived from plants. A crop assumes human intervention through agriculture. In the main, food crops consist of grains, legumes, seeds and nuts, vegetables, fruits, herbs, spices and beverage plants such as tea and coffee. Some foods like sea vegetables and food crops in terms of gathering rather than deliberate agriculture, although undoubtedly the best sources of such food are well cared for resources in terms of law to prevent over harvesting polluting and licensing access. Thank you, students.